Hello, my name is Alex Kolokolov and I am glad to welcome you to my course Power BI for business users. I have developed this course for non-technical users who want to discover this popular business intelligence platform and get quick results. There are 3 parts. In the first one, we discuss some basic tools like funnel, line and column chart, as well as briefly touch dashboard design and storytelling. In the basic visualization, you will learn how to use bar, column and pie charts properly. Also, we are going to discuss how to make a table and metrics beautiful. Finally, the practical part is waiting for you. You will need to redesign the bed dashboard according to some advice given in the first and second modules. After it, I will show you my way to modify it. Wish you a great success. Remember, before plunging into the worlds of data analytics with Power BI, you'd better learn its basic to ready for advanced skills. And this course is the best opportunity to do it. Wish you great success.